what's better than one little bundle of joy? Katie, how about 5 of them?
I feel like that would be a little overwhelming.
A little bit.
But for a Phoenix family, they're welcoming quintuplets just in time for Father's Day, no less. Take a look at them. They are adorable. This is the Hoffman family. 1 boy, 4 girls. We got to tell you their names. Aurora, Arizona, Brielle, Briley, Delilah, Daphne, Elias, Michael, and Felicity, Fiona. They were born on Friday the 13th, arriving just a little early.
Yeah, Mom Roxana there was 31 weeks pregnant. All the babies weighed over 3 pounds. The smallest was Felicity. She weighed 3 pounds 1 ounce. The biggest is Delilah, who weighed 3 pounds 11 ounces. They were born at Banner Good Samaritan, and Dad Michael is in the Air Force and joked about wishing the babies had arrived on 4th of July.
Being in the military, it was kind of a special day for us. But then, things happened and became early Father's Day present, and definitely will make Father's Day a little bit more memorable now for the rest of my life.
Yeah, that's for sure. All the babies are at the neonatal intensive care unit. That's routine, but doctors say they are just doing great.